Standard First. Subject Maths. Hello student, I am Jyoti Singh. In this video, we will learn tall and short. Student, do you know what is tall and short? When we compare two persons, things or objects on the basis of their height, we use the term tall and short. Tall means something have a great height from bottom to top, and short means small in height. Now student, in this example we have house and building. Now if we compare these two objects, which is tall and short? Yes, house is short and the blue building is tall. Now student, in this example we have mama elephant and baby elephant. So which will be tall and short? Yes, mama elephant will be tall and baby elephant will be short. Mama elephant has a great height and baby elephant has a small height. Now student, in this example we have coconut tree. So which tree is tall and short? Yes, this tree will be tall because it has great height, and this tree will be short because it has small height. Let's see some more examples. Now student, in this example we have ostrich and hen. So now let's compare their height. Now you tell me which will be tall and short? Yes, ostrich will be tall and hen will be short. Now student, look at this example. Yes, it is our favorite cartoon, Tom and Jerry. So which will be tall and short? Yes, Tom will be tall and Jerry will be short. Now student, we will learn comparative measurement with the help of example. Student, when we talk about tall, taller and tallest, we are talking about height, which means the difference in height of object or person. Let's learn with some example. Now student, in this example I bring giraffe A. This is a tall giraffe. Now I am bringing another giraffe. This giraffe is B. Now this giraffe B is taller than giraffe A. Now I am bringing another giraffe, giraffe C. This giraffe is taller than giraffe B and giraffe A. It means giraffe C is tallest among all. Get me a tall ladder. Get me another ladder. Now this ladder is taller than ladder X. I want ladder taller than Y. Now ladder Z is taller than ladder Y and ladder X. It means ladder Z is tallest among all. Now student, circle the taller table. Yes, very good. Now student, in this example we have vase. So you have to circle the tallest vase. Yes, very good. Now student, we will learn short, shorter and shortest. We will compare it on the base of height. I have a red bear. I have another green bear. Now green bear is shorter than red bear. I have another brown bear. Now brown bear is shorter than green bear and red bear. It means brown bear is shortest among all the bears. Today is my birthday. My mother is very happy. She gave me my favorite chocolate ice cream cone. She gave me another strawberry ice cream cone. Strawberry ice cream cone is shorter than chocolate ice cream cone. She gave me another vanilla ice cream cone. Now, vanilla ice cream cone is shorter than strawberry ice cream cone and chocolate ice cream cone. It means vanilla ice cream cone is shortest among all the ice cream cone. Circle the shortest chair. Very good. Now student, circle the shorter lamp. Yes, very good. Now student, circle the tall girl. Here we have two girls. So you have to circle the girl which has good height. Yes, very good. Now student, meet Jenny. Jenny loves her brother very much. So now if we compare the height of Jenny and his brother, who will be taller and shorter? Yes, Jenny will be taller and her brother will be shorter. So we can say that Jenny is taller than her brother, or her brother is shorter than Jenny. Now student, meet Jenny father and Jenny mother. So now if we compare the height of her father and mother, who is taller and shorter? Yes, her father is taller and her mother is shorter. So we can say that Jenny father is taller than her mother, or her mother is shorter than her father. So student, in Jenny family, who is tallest and shortest? Yes, her father is tallest in her family and her brother is shortest in her family. Let's see some more examples. Now student, in this example we have giraffe and deer. So if we compare the height of these two animals, who is taller and shorter? Yes, giraffe is a taller animal and deer is a shorter animal. So we can say that giraffe is taller than deer, or deer is shorter than giraffe. Now student, if we compare the height of these two animals, deer and rabbit, who is taller and shorter? Yes, the rabbit is shorter and the deer is taller. It means the rabbit is shorter than deer, or we can say that deer is taller than shorter. Is there any more animal shortest than? Yes, squirrel. If we compare the height of squirrel, squirrel is shortest than rabbit. So now student, if we compare the height of this animal, who is tallest and shortest? Yes, giraffe is the tallest animal and squirrel is the shortest animal if we compare these animals. Now student, activity time. Draw a taller and tallest bottle. So here given bottle is tall. So you have to draw taller and tallest bottle. Color the shortest lollipop. Cut out the sunflowers and paste them in order from shortest to tallest. Now it's your homework time. Tick for tall and cross for short. Color below the shortest tree. Color below the shortest inquiry. Number the object from tallest to shortest. Thank you.